It's been almost 4 years since we'd been home, so I think it's a bit overdue now. It's time to go home and pay our friends and family a visit. This is gonna be a month-and-a-half visit back to Canada. Melbourne to Brisbane, that's 3 hours. Back in Brizzy, baby! Brisbane to Vancouver, that's like over 15 hours. This is gonna be the long one step closer to the edge.
We're back in Canada.
13.5 hours later, we just touched down in Vancouver, BC, Canada. Just look at all the maple leaves behind me. Canada, baby. I just gotta make sure that I don't get hit by a car, you know, after spending the latter part of the last 4 years getting used to driving on the left side of the road. Could be an issue. So the only issue right now is I have both an Australian and a New Zealand SIM card currently in my phone, but I don't have a Canadian number. So, and I can't seem to connect to the Wi-Fi in the area, and I need internet to complete this ArriveCan application thing to just confirm your vaccination status. How crazy is it that the last time we went to a Tim Hortons wasn't here in Canada, it was in Manila, Philippines, back in February 2020.
Is that right?
Yep.
Oh, shit.
But if we do pass by one, since it's been so long, we could get some watered down coffee and cheap donuts. Not $3.50, not $4, Australian, New Zealand prices.
12 bucks for a dozen, not $24.
For a nice box of Timbits. I missed you, Tim Hortons. I missed you so much. I'm just gonna order myself bloody donuts and Timbits. That's really all that I'm craving right now. What are you getting?
The old-fashioned à l'ancienne.
À l'ancienne. So first bit of culture shock coming from Australia to Canada. The donuts aren't $4, they're $1.42. I forgot how cheap Tim Hortons can be. $5 for 2 donuts and a coffee, that's insane.
I find the coffees were really expensive in Oz. This was $2. Mind you, it's not, it's drip coffee.
Well, I missed my maple dip, eh? So good to get some Tim Hortons and some watered down coffee. I'm excited to have this donut. I don't know what all that's about. Cheap donuts.
À l'ancienne.
Too long.
I usually don't get the glazed one. I go way old and get the unglazed one.
Then took one sip of her Tim Hortons coffee and said, it doesn't taste like coffee. Welcome to Canada. Alright, welcome to Tim Hortons. Already I'm seeing so many brands that I'm suddenly realizing I haven't seen in years. Ruffles, Hickory Sticks, freaking vitamin water, Lay's,
Excel gum,
Old Dutch chips, and Dasani water.
To scan the code just for yourself today?
Yeah, actually for both of us. We just sign in there too.
Thank you very much. Please enjoy your stay.
Thank you.
Unfortunately, because of the pandemic, they're closed right now.
Close, okay.
No showers today, unfortunately, but I'll take alcoholic beverages as of 11 a.m. So it seems that our flight keeps getting pushed back, which just means that we're gonna have to stick around longer in this lounge. Can I get a Steamworks lager? Thank you.
My peripheral, it didn't look like you. I was like, what is this?
Who's this girl in tight black and skinny black jeans? Thank you very much. Ling here, the ultimate bread fan, has her pandesal from the Plaza Lounge. Plaza
like
Premium Lounge.
Pandesal, like dirty panty.
Yeah, it could be pandesal. Depends how salty it is.
Butter.
One more flight. 5 hours and we're home free, baby. Hi.
Oh, my bad. Sorry.
All good.
Have a good night, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
This is the final boarding call.
Here we go. Montréal bound. Ton front est sain, les fleurons glorieux. You wanna hang on to my passport? Thank you. Thank you, wife.
I would like to apologize for the delay leaving Vancouver. It's due to the late arrival of this aircraft inbound.
Thank you. See ya. Oh, yeah. So by my calculation, it's been 28 hours since we've left Melbourne. About 20 hours worth of flying, plus 8 hours worth of layovers. Mais on est de retour. On est à Montréal. Wow, after 4 years.
Notice as soon as we came into Quebec, it became French first.
Welcome to Quebec. Muscles.
Oh, strong man.
Muscles. Okay, let's go get that poutine and steamy. Oh, this is a very different Montreal. When we left, it was October. Now we're end of August, so I wasn't wearing a t-shirt the last time we were here. Oh, it's so long.
Oh my God. I think AJ's gonna cry when he sees you. He was like, what? That was his reaction. That was his reaction. Other side.
Is this is a new car, right?
Kind of. It's been 3 years. It's new for us.
You can sit shotgun.
Yeah.
Remember,
I was gonna go to your side.
Shotguns on the right.
You're driving the car if you What side is the passenger side on? And you're like, mine. No. What side is the driver? Oh, that's
You're
like true. Mine.
I was like, I don't know what that means.
What's happening right now?
They survived the lockdown. Wonder what all the strippers did during the lockdown. God, this is a Montreal institution. I can't believe we're just standing here.
To entertain him. Walk away.
The homeless people of Montreal, how I missed them all.
Oh my God, 4 years waiting.
Oh my God, this is literally 4 years in the making.
Listen, you want another one? Want to get another one?
Until I accidentally stumbled across this place in Vancouver at 4 in the morning that said
Did it?
Montreal style bagels. And
Yeah,
they
nailed it.
nailed it. Not close to St. Peter, but
I don't think so. I've never had them in the States and I've had them in...
Oh yeah, and they just don't do fries like this. Like this is
Yeah, the home
like
style fries.
it's just sweet.
My God.
This is hitting the spot, man.
fry them once.